So, we finally have our new Taoiseach and 15 cabinet ministers. It might be a day later than expected, but the government of the 34th Dáil is now finally in place. The opposition did have their say and gave their reasoning for yesterday's chaos, but when all was said and done, things ran fairly smoothly, and Fianna Fáil party leader Micheál Martin was nominated as Taoiseach in the Dáil chamber. He made his way here to Áras an Uachtaráin, where President Michael D. Higgins formally appointed him as Taoiseach and sealed the deal, quite literally, with the seal of office and the seal of the government. Then it was decision time for the new Taoiseach, and it was out with the old and in with the new in some circumstances. Darragh O'Brien is out of housing and into transport, with James Brown taking his old portfolio, and Helen McEntee is out of justice and into education. Micheál Martin stayed the course with Paschal Donoghue in finance, and former Taoiseach Simon Harris will take on the role of foreign affairs. We also had the appointment of some brand new super junior ministers, two of which are part of the regional independent group. For the full breakdown of the new cabinet, you can check newstalk.com. So now we can get down to business. Well, not exactly. The Dáil has adjourned for 2 weeks, so we'll have to wait until February to see if this new cabinet and returning Taoiseach can hit the ground running.